So we now need everybody that came in second place. This is going to be an all-spinner smackdown. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
And they meet in the middle. Goodness me. Thermal sent flying. Do you even beavering and pause on the flip. Midnight Sun gets launched by the floor flip. Do you even beavering doesn't know what it's doing. The pit goes down. Goodness me, this is complete and utter chaos. Thermal has lost drive, it seemed. No, launched by the flipper towards the pit. Ooh. Thermal goes. Pause gets launched towards Thermal as well. Phantom getting some damage in. Do you even bearing versus Midnight Sun, it seems as well, while Pause and Thermal get another smack in. This is complete chaos. This is what I thought it would be. This is what I thought it would be from a spinner frenzy. Oh, Dizzy, I dread to think what that is. Goodness me. And Do You Even Beavering is stopped. Do You Even Bearing is stopped. Midnight Sun has slowed. Pause still going with Phantom. And so is Thermal. Diedrich doing really well. Midnight Sun about to be counted down, is it? Yes! No, saved itself. Pause, getting close to the pit. Von, I can't believe you won either. It seems really rigomorous. Well, Do You Even Bearing about to be the first casualty if left alone by Pause, which it is not. Midnight Sun slowing down. Gosh, this is something. Midnight Sun needs to do something. You have lost a drive side as well, Jordan. Do You Even Bearing on the flipper? Do You Even Bearing over, though? First casualty? Yes, it seems so. Pause focusing on Diedrich. Diedrich focusing on Pause because that's Do You Even Bearing in 8th place. Goodness me, I can't keep track. Do You Even Bearing is done. Diedrich's in the pit, spins itself in. And who's being counted down now? It's between Midnight Sun and Midnight Sun and Phantom. And now Midnight Sun can escape its own circumference. It was a really good style going into the pit, Dizzy. You're completely right. I would say Pause won that with Phantom. Diedrich, chill, bruh. Look at you, look beautifully illuminated in red. I love that pit. It looks so cool. You did dance into the pit. I would say Midnight Sun came in second there. Pause with Phantom is in 5th. Because this is from 9th to 12th. Let's go.
3, 2.
What a mix of weapons we've got in here.
Go.
And they meet in the middle. Poor Mum gets launched once again. Alex overturned. Flips over to 5-9. Poor Mum yeets Antsy, who's lost the flipper. Poor Mum could be safe now from the perils of Antsy's weird shape. Alex deciding to take Antsy and Zero on, while Poor Mum takes 259 out of the battle. And Antsy flipped over and eliminated by Firestorm. Alex did well there because Antsy cannot self-right. Antsy is overturned. And is... oh, just saved. What is Firestorm doing? Saving Antsy from doom. While Dogface... what's Roomba doing? Roomba's doing its own thing over there. I don't understand. This isn't normally something that the Roomba does. And it comes in for the charge. The death charge. Ooh! And 259 launched. I hate it when poor Mum's machine does that. It's terrifying. 259 now back on its feet. Antsy yeeted by poor Mum. There's nothing Antsy can do. 12th place for Antsy, I would say. Still in the thick of it just by sheer luck. Firestorm taking on Antsy and Ringo. 259 overturned. Poor Mum yeeting Firestorm and Alex over. Alex stuck in the corner, possibly lost a wheel. No, is okay. Antsy being counted down. 259 doing its own thing, and Antsy is eliminated. Antsy's done. 12th place there for Antsy. Firestorm doing its own thing. Is 259 going to do something? Is it stuck? We don't know. Poor Mum's in against Firestorm. Poor Mum on top at the moment. Firestorm getting a pounding. And it's lost a side panel. 259's done nothing, let's be honest. It can't get out of the CPZ. Possibly the AI there. Alex taking on poor Mum. Very bold, very brave. Poor Mum on the flipper. Doesn't want to be there. Is what eliminated her before. Alex flipped over by the floor flipper. Is okay. Self-rights. Yeeted again by poor Mum. Dogface doing the... And the pit goes down. Alex yeeted towards the pit. Poor Mum! Ooh. That's close. I would say, chat. Poor Mum's Ringo first. Alex second. Dogface third. And Antsy last. So this is for places 13 through 16. Have we got any of these in chat? I don't think we do.
3, 2.
My drink's looking
1,
like this, Diedrich.
go.
And here we go. In the middle, two spinners versus a wedge with an axe on it, and it is Chaos. Avail is yeeting Firestorm across. Somebody has lost a wheel. It's Firestorm has lost a wheel. The pit has gone... The pit's not gone down. I thought they'd hit the pit release button, but I was wrong. Shatter yeeting, Royal beating across the room. Avail has kept Tornado in the corner. Over the flame pit now, Royal beating and Shatter. And Avail being counted down, lost power once again. And Avail's gone. Avail comes in last. Okay, so we're down to 3. Avail's done a lot of damage to... A hell of a lot of damage to Tornado, though. It's just a case if Tornado can get back into the action, but it looks like it's just spinning. Royal beating gets back out of that death grip. Shatter coming in. Pushing Royal beating over the pit. If the pit was down, that would have been a GG. And now Shatter on fire, hit by the disc of Royal beating in underneath. Well, let's be honest, Tornado's done. There's nothing Tornado can really do. It's just stuck there spinning. And Tornado is spinning indeed. That's, oh, very funny, Von. Nice joke. Tornado going to get yeeted by Royal beating now. Ooh! Up on its face, up on its back. Shatter's still on fire. There's flames. At least Avail's out of it. One of the most damaging machines we've had, but it unfortunately dies very quickly. And Tornado back into the thick of it. Shatter being destroyed some more. I'm surprised Shatter's still moving with the amount of flame that's gone, but for me, Royal beating's on top, followed by Shatter, followed by Tornado. However, Tornado now doing some pushing while Royal beating is overturned. Okay, Kim Royal beating Self-Right, or is it going to be eliminated here? Because, oh, almost and it goes in. Goodness me, it's got some speed on it. I'm surprised I thought Royal beating was going to do worse than it has. And this is a wearying contest in the end. I would still say Royal beating versus then Shatter, then Tornado. And that is time. I know Royal beating won that fight. Royal beating. And then what? Shatter or Tornado? I would say Shatter. Type agree if you agree. This is going to be a smashing, crashing, ding-dang, dashing fight here.
3, 2, 1, go.
And they meet in the middle once more. And Vice is the one that gets thrown in the beginning. Throws Rolling Thunder across the arena. Sergeant Smash by far the smallest here, but one of the most deadly. Twice gets launched by Bloodwork again, and Rolling Thunder almost launched out of the arena by Twice. Twice gets some really good flips in sometimes, has a tendency to Uta machines. For those of you that don't watch Robot Combat, that's out of the arena. Although it won't do it now, because Twice has lost its flipper. On the floor, flipper. It's not my fault, it had to be the pre one. Von, I love that you're surprised. Oh, well, there goes something. What was that? Goodness me. Who's that that's flown across the arena? I don't know. I think that was Sergeant Smash. Bloodwork is overturned. Sergeant Smash is confused. Twice still in. Twice is nice. Sergeant Smash almost launched. And Twice is gone. Twice is in 20th. Twice is gone. Bloodwork launched there as well. Rolling Thunder doing very well. Being attacked by Sergeant Smash, who's just lost a whole side. Bloodwork not moving. Needs to do something. Yeeted across the arena by Rolling Thunder. Well, Rolling Thunder looks like it's now on top. Giggity giggity Von, giggity goo. Bloodwork stopped. Bloodwork come to a halt. Is it not driving? Are there AI problems? Is there machinery problems? Rolling Thunder's on fire. Well, being pushed by Sergeant Smash. And Rolling Thunder has rolled to a stop. I think that's GG's for Rolling Thunder, you know. The pit's down. The pit wants something to eat. Rolling Thunder could be going in, or Sergeant Smash for that matter. Everybody has come to a stop. Goodness me. Rolling Thunder goes in. That's Rolling Thunder out. And that's time. I'd say Bloodwork came in second there because it didn't do anything. And Sergeant Smash came in first. This is bottom of the barrel. And the final fight of tonight before we end stream. I hope you all had fun. Especially you, John, you winning bitch. So Josh, currently at the top of the whiteboards in the bottom bracket. With that, let's let this begin.
3, 2, 1, go.
And they meet in the middle. Josh on Infusion. All of them getting yeeted by the floor flipper. Infusion is stuck on the floor flipper is now free. Josh causing major damage to Wild Thing. Wild Thing loses a wheel. Infusion launched by Jesus. Jesus Christ. Wild Thing launched as well by Jesus. It's all flying. Jesus is a helicopter. Kitty's flipped over by the floor flipper. Is fine though. Whew. Goodness me. I'm actually tired after all of that. Everybody is immobile. Jesus has done the damage. Kitty, the first casualty, dead, last place. Kitty has been eliminated. That's Kitty done. Infusion second to last. Infusion's done. So it's between Jesus. It's between Jesus now. Oh, and Wild Thing's out of the arena. I didn't even notice I was so busy typing. Wild Thing's done. Jesus wins. And we've got our rankings for the contest. And Jesus now shows us how aggressive it is when it's not yeeted out of the arena. As it has been in every single one of its fights, it wins. Dance of celebration. Lovely. It was really nice hanging out with you. I hope you had fun, because that was completely fucking insane. So with that, I will say goodnight.